Hello everyone, on today I have a new video here and it is going to be how to fold your towels in a pretty manner. I have 5 different folds that I'm going to present to you on today, and I'm going to use some colored towels in this black and white that I'm going to be using in the upcoming bathroom makeover for the master bathroom. And so here we go with pretty fold number 1. All the folds are going to be very simple. Now these towels are a little bit extra large, beach size. And you're going to take this towel and you're going to fold it in half. What I'm showing is just the banding. So if you have a pretty towel and has banding, then you want to pay close attention to how you do the fold on which side. And again, we're just going to fold it in half, and then we're going to take it and lay it back on your table. Then you're going to take the towel and you're going to do a tri-fold. And you turn it around in front of you as you see me do, and then you're just going to fold it in half. And there you have a pretty towel, simply folded. And if you have a banding, you see why I was expressing, making sure you observe where your banding is and where it will fall once you do the fold. And this is a fold that I often use, and there is another one that I use primarily. Here we go with fold number 2. And this one, I'm showing you here that this particular towel is DKNY, and that's the brand in case if anyone wants to know. And I like it. It's a good heavy duty sturdy towel. You're going to take it again and fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it in half again, just as you see me do in the video. Flip it over, especially if you have banding. Pay close attention to that. And if they're just plain towels, you won't have to worry about it. Then you're going to do a tri-fold. Very simple. And once you do this over and over, it will go so fast when you are folding your towels. And let me know down in the comment section which of these folds that you normally do on a regular basis. We have fold number 1 and we have fold number 2. And you could lay them inside of your linen closet each way, or your linen cabinet, or even a drawer. Now on to pretty fold number 3. Now this one is more decorative rather than a utilitarian type of fold, and this is something that you can do and roll up and place inside of a basket, especially if you have a guest bathroom. You can do this in your formal bathroom as well, your master bath, and it is just a pretty look to have. And you're going to take it and you're going to fold that corner over just like I did, and then you're going to turn around and flip it over. It has almost a knife edge appearance, as you can see. And then you're going to proceed to roll your towel up towards the knife edge of the towel. And you're just going to roll and roll and roll, and then you're going to tuck it, as you will see me do right here. And once it is tucked in, it will not come apart. So if you drop the towel, it will not fall apart, as you will see. Great again if you want to stand them up. I like this look, especially on a printed towel. As you can see, it shows all of the detail and then that V shape that it has. And they look great when they are rolled up like in a set of 3 or a set of 5. And you can also sit this on top of your vanity, the smaller towels. Excuse my voice on today, I sound a little raspy. And this is pretty fold number 4. And this is just a quick face towel. And then you're going to do a tri-fold on here. Very simple. And this is an everyday look that you can use in your cabinets to put them away. And then one single fold over, and there you have it. And again, especially if you have a pretty banding going across, it will show. And as you can see here, we have the mother and the child. Not really, but yeah, the big one and the little one. And this is last but not least. This is fold number 5. And you're going to do a tri-fold, and you're going to do it long ways, as you see here. Now what you're going to do here is give it 3 folds over, and they won't be equal folds all the way down, and you will see why. So you're going to leave enough at the end where it's going to form a pocket. So it folds nearly half over the top, as you see. And then you're going to take that and fold it right over and under, and it tucks in, as you see, or rather folds over. And as you will see, when I flip it over, it has a pocket on the top portion of the tile. And then especially, this works really well if you have a guest bathroom. Again, it could be in your master bath and you just want a pretty luxurious look. And then you could take your face towel or your hand towel and tuck it on the inside. Place it on top of your vanity or in a basket. And there you have it. 5 pretty folds that you can do in either of your bathrooms for your guest as well as yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, let me know which fold you prefer or you like. This has been Shenell, and I'll see you all for the next one. And I'm getting ready for the bathroom makeover. So, normally I like to show things before the entire makeover is done, leading to it. See you in the next one.